Hi, I'm Janine from Purple Room Yoga, and I write the Substack Yoga Living 50 and Beyond. I'm going to go over thread the needle pose today. So you're going to start in table, spreading the fingers wide on the floor, stacking the shoulders over the wrists, the hips over the knees. As you inhale, reach the right arm toward the ceiling, opening the chest. As you exhale, slide the right arm underneath the left arm, bringing the shoulder to the floor. Now, if the shoulder doesn't come to the floor, you can roll up a towel or a block and place your shoulder on that. Reach the left arm to the ceiling and then wrap the arm behind you. Maybe the hand comes to the lower back. It might come to the right hip, the right waist. You might even be able to tuck it into the right thigh. Feel equal weight on both knees. So you're not shifting the weight in one direction or the other. Releasing the shins to the floor. Spin the left shoulder toward the ceiling. And draw the left hip back slightly. So again, the hips are square. You're just feeling that rotation in the spine. Breathing deeply. You might feel a stretch in the right upper back between the shoulder blade and the spine. Exhale to twist. Take another inhale. Exhale. And then I like to sort of reverse what I did before, bringing the left hand under the shoulder. Press down to reach the right arm high. And then lower the right hand back to table. And then you can do the whole thing to the other side. And that's thread the needle. Nice little rotation of the spine. Thanks for watching.